respected guardians, you know for what purpose we have gathered here today. The assembly actually it happens in the morning, but we have arranged now for what purpose you know. Yesterday, you know the HSLC the results has been declared. So this time also our school has make a record in the entire Goraimari, basically in the Mazardub center. So this time our school stood first. 97.83 percentage Wazir Jahan, you know, he scored. So if there is a position like the previous year, the rank system, at least we could obtain 5th rank this time also. But the system of the government has created this problem for us, that they have eliminated the system of rank. So I hope, like your senior brothers, they have come out with the bright results. So now the class 12 student, the present student, those who are pursuing here, now it is your turn. So I hope you will keep the record, you will keep the name and fame of the school this year also. So like the student of the previous year they have done. So for this purpose, I thank to our senior students, they have willingly come to us to meet you and to meet the staff of Alamin family. So I request Wazir Jahan, Ruman Waris, he has obtained a very good marks, but we are also sad with some of the anomalies which has created in case of Ruman Waris, you know. So if there was no any anomalies in regarding the marks, so we can stand in the topmost. You know it very well. So I request our student Wazir Jahan to come and introduce with you and give some speech to you so that you get motivated, you obey and obey their advice. So they are also departing us, yes or no? So when and what time they will depart, you know, there is no time at all. They have taken the admission in some of the school, good schools. So they will go away. So it is very much gratitude and thankful for us that they have come here to meet us. So Wazir Jahan, come.
A very good noon to all of you, respected teachers of Alamin Islamic Model School, respected guardians, respected junior brothers and sisters, and all the teaching and non-teaching staff of Alamin Islamic Model School. Myself Wazir Jahan, and I have secured 587 marks in SSLC examination 2025, 97.83 percentage. I think most of you have forgotten me. Just 3 months have passed. We left high school. I think most of you have forgotten us. That's true. But at first I thank all the teachers, guardians, junior brothers and sisters, because for your support, guidance and encouragement, we have stood or we secured this much percentage. And if I divide subject wise, it will be like this. In Assamese, I secured 99 marks in Assamese, and there is one misconception that English medium students are weak in Assamese, but this is not true. Are you weak in Assamese? No, you are not weak in Assamese. It is misconception that English medium students are dull in Assamese. English medium students do not know Assamese. This is misconception. Actually, you also have talent, and in Assamese, some students will suggest that for 4 or 5 marks questions, you have to write this marks, you have to write this marks. But actually, this is not true. For 4 or 5 marker questions, you should write just more than half page. That is enough. If you write suitable, in suitable language, then it will be enough. And Mannan sir know it better. He also guided us when we were in class 10, and we both have secured 99 marks in Assamese. So I wish that our upcoming batches will get 100 out of 100 in Assamese and break this record. I wish, I hope, I pray. And in English, I give credit to BP sir for English literature part. I give credit to Zolim sir for English grammar part. He is also very good in grammar, and I have got little bit less mark from expectation in English because this was the first exam. English was first exam, and I was very nervous, and the question paper was also very difficult, so I couldn't make this expected marks. Then in science, I have secured 96 marks, and in science, I give credit to Honorable Nazmin ma'am for guidance and encouragement. I give credit to Amiruzzaman Kamali sir. He also teach me science in class 10. Then I also got a little bit less than expected marks in science, general science also. Then in social science, I secured 97 marks. I give heartful thanks to our Obilash Boro sir. Then I am thankful to Omar Farooq Abdullah sir of Brahmavatra Valley Academy for giving me support, for teaching me. I also remember that just one night after my SSLC examination, before my SSLC examination, social studies examination, I sent some doubts. I also had doubts till then also. I also had doubt. I sent in WhatsApp to Obilash Boro sir. Within a few minutes, he did solution. Very quick, like Rajdhani Express, he do the solution. Also 100% accurately. Then in general mathematics, I have scored 100 out of 100, and I give credit to Nazim sir, to Amjad sir, to Musharraf sir, Kakul Bora sir, because I also remember that day when I was in class 8, then when I was submitting classwork, at the time Musharraf sir said to the students that these 2 students will get 100 in general mathematics. I can write down. But fortunately, unfortunately, favor what you said, only these 2 we too have got direct 100 in general mathematics. After that, I have got 100 out of 100 in advanced mathematics. That's I give credit to Amjad sir, and I give credit to our Nazim Hussain sir for their support, for their guidance. And I also think that you have good mentors, you have good teachers, and we expect that you will get more percentage from us. You will get 99, 100 percentage maybe. We expect. And you study, work hard. You should be consistent. That is the main. Suppose for one day you study for 13-14 hours. I have studied for 13 hours. Actually, for studying 13 hours once a month, it is not sufficient. If you read for 6 to 7 hours daily, it will be beneficial for you daily rather than for 1 or 2 days. It will be beneficial. And sleep is also mandatory. Minimum 7 hours sleep. Some students are there who do not sleep. Direct study whole night and day. Actually, this is also not appropriate because if you sleep, then your mind will be relaxed and you can make more things in your, you can or put more things in your brain. So study hard, be consistent, and that's much, sir.